Hola, everybody. For this afternoon's assignment, you have two different things to do. Both are relatively short, and both have to do with el tiempo, the weather. So the first thing you're going to do is go to this link that says Boom Cards. And Boom Cards are essentially like interactive flashcards. And once you launch that, you should see an icon representing yourself. And when you log in, you should log in with your N colony address. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the teacher login, which is going to look a little different, but at least I can show you the boom cards here. Okay, let me go to the library. Let me launch these so you can at least see them. Okay, so this is just a little preview. So the first slide is going to show you all of the vocabulary, and then you're just going to click through and choose the right things. You can have your vocab list open if you want to in a separate browser, but you're going to go through these slides. You can do them once, you can do them more than once, you could try to get a perfect score, whatever you wish. On my end, I will be able to see how long you spent on the cards and what your accuracy rate was for those. That's just an automatic reporting feature. You don't need to report anything. It's just going to calculate that as you go. When you're done with the boom cards, you're going to go back over here and you're going to click on the Google form. And that's going to look like this. It's similar to what we did the other day. You need to be on your school Chromebook because it's going to put you in the locked mode so you can't access other browsers. And then you've got this forecast from Rio, Texas, and you've got a couple questions to answer. And then when you're done, you're going to submit that. So that's it for today. Boom cards and a Google form to do. Buena suerte. Good luck.